The day has arrived to begin working on the motor. I'm going to be doing a carburetor tune-up kit, change out the spark plugs, change spark plug wires, and a fuel pump kit on this motor. Got all the parts right here. Got everything OEM Evinrude, and with the original plugs too. And I even ordered a new original Evinrude fuel line, 'cause I hear a lot of bad reviews online about using the gray ones. A little pricey, but rather not have problems down the road. So let's get started. Just finished changing the fuel pump. Here's the old float and the old gasket that separates the bowl. This one looks pretty flimsy. It looked like what was probably causing what looked like a fuel leak inside of there. Old tin. It's on now. Wasn't too hard, to be honest. Pretty self-explanatory, but I just hate getting full of gas working on these kind of things. And now I'm gonna move on to the fuel pump. Oh shit. It was on there really good. Whew. Them lines pretty gunky. I guess it's a good thing I decided to work on this. Alright, well, just finished getting the fuel pump kit installed. Again, was not fun. And now on to the spark plugs and spark plug wires. A little dirty, but I guess not too bad for a two-stroke. For a two-smoke. One with the originals. Champion to champion. Now, since this motor's been sitting around for a while, and I'm gonna try to crank it up tomorrow when my last part gets here, I'm gonna spray a little bit of fogging oil in the cylinders so they don't run dry. And in the new ones go. These are some huge spark plugs. You know, so look, most spark plugs use a 5/8. This is a 3/16. It's huge. You guys want to know the worst part of all this? Has been making these stupid boots. I don't know why they wouldn't just put them together from the factory. This shit's actually kind of stupidly hard. This has been harder than building the carburetor, making these stupid things. Rant over. Alright guys, now we got her running the way she should. She's peeing, but I'm going to change the water pump. I had to take the carburetor apart twice because she wouldn't idle yesterday. Now she's running real good.
idle, boys.
Check it out, peeps. I found this trick. Might help someone later on down the road. When I first cleaned the carburetor, it wouldn't run. It still like wouldn't idle at all. And I saw some guy who used like little thin wire like this to poke it through the nozzles and the little holes, and sure enough, one of my nozzles was clogged, and it ended up working for me, so it might help someone else too.